Hey friends, let's talk about something we all deal with but rarely discuss, our guts. For years, mine was a mess. Bloating, pain, just feeling off. I tried every diet and pill, but nothing worked. So I ditched the quick fixes and focused on simple, natural habits. And honestly, it changed everything. Today, I'm sharing exactly what I did to finally make peace with my gut. No gimmicks, just real stuff that works. First up, I had to break up with junk food. My kitchen was full of processed snacks and sugary drinks, comforting, but my gut hated them. I cleared out the junk and started eating real whole foods, veggies, good fats, and simple proteins. Cooking at home made me mindful of what I was eating. The first week was rough, cravings, mood swings, but then my energy soared, my skin cleared, and the bloating faded. It wasn't about restriction, just replacing junk with food that actually nourished me. My gut finally felt relieved. This was the foundation for everything else. If you do one thing, start here. Next, I focused on fiber. Seriously underrated, but essential for gut health. I swapped sugary breakfast for oatmeal with chia seeds and berries, and loaded up on leafy greens, beans, and lentils. Gradually increasing fiber and drinking lots of water made a huge difference. My digestion became regular, bloating disappeared, and I felt lighter. Feeding your gut bacteria with fiber is a game changer. It's simple, cheap, and your gut will thank you. Don't sleep on fiber. Then I got into fermented foods. Sauerkraut, kimchi, Greek yogurt, kefir. At first, the flavors were intense, but I started craving that tangy kick. These foods are packed with good bacteria that help your gut thrive. I swapped sugary yogurts for plain, full-fat versions and added a forkful of sauerkraut or kimchi to meals. It was an easy way to boost my gut health every day. Combined with fiber, it was like a 1-2 punch for my digestion. Ancient foods, modern results. Here's a weird one. I learned to actually chew my food. No more eating on the go or mindlessly scrolling while I ate. I sat down, put my fork down between bites, and chewed slowly. This simple habit improved my digestion almost overnight. Less bloating, less discomfort. It also helped me enjoy my food and recognize when I was full. Chewing costs nothing, but it's one of the best things you can do for your gut. Try it. You'll notice the difference. Hydration was a game changer. I swapped my endless coffee for water, especially first thing in the morning. A big glass of water before coffee woke up my system and calmed my gut. I carried a water bottle everywhere and added herbal teas like ginger and peppermint for extra gut support. Water helps fiber do its job, keeps energy up, and soothes your stomach. Less coffee, more water, and my gut was so much happier. It's simple, but so powerful. Don't underestimate hydration. Finally, I tackled stress. The gut-brain connection is real. Stress always made my stomach worse. I started with 5 minutes of deep breathing a day and short walks outside. These tiny breaks helped reset my nervous system and calmed my digestion. No fancy meditation required. Just a few mindful minutes made a huge difference. Managing stress was the missing piece that tied everything together. You can eat perfectly, but if you're stressed, your gut will still struggle. Take care of your mind and your gut will follow. It's all connected. So that's how I went from gut chaos to feeling good. No magic, just simple habits stacked together. Cut the junk, eat real food, love fiber, try fermented stuff, chew, hydrate, and chill out. Listen to your body, and if you need help, see a pro. These gentle changes made a world of difference for me. If this helped, like and share, and subscribe for more real-life health tips. Take care of your gut. It'll take care of you. Thanks for watching.